Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven. Many seniors are told that walking is the best exercise after 60. Walking is helpful for the heart, but it does very little to stop muscle loss. Weak muscles lead to poor balance, difficulty standing, and a higher risk of falls. The good news is that simple seated exercises can safely rebuild strength and protect independence. The first exercise is seated calf raises. Sit upright in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your heels while keeping your toes down. Hold for 2 seconds, then lower slowly. This movement strengthens the calves, improves blood flow, reduces leg swelling, and helps prevent circulation problems. The second exercise is seated knee extensions. Sit tall with your back supported. Slowly straighten one leg until it is fully extended. Hold for 3 seconds while tightening the thigh, then lower slowly and switch legs. Strong thigh muscles make it easier to stand up, climb stairs, and protect the knees. The third exercise is seated hip marches. Sit near the front of the chair with your spine straight. Lift one knee toward your chest using slow control, then lower it and switch sides. This strengthens the muscles that lift your legs while walking, improves balance, and greatly reduces the risk of falling. The fourth exercise is seated rows with a resistance band. Sit upright with the band around your feet and hold the ends in your hands. Pull your elbows back while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Hold briefly, then return slowly. This exercise improves posture, reduces neck and shoulder pain, and strengthens the upper body for daily tasks. The final and most important exercise is the sit to stand movement. Sit with your feet slightly wider than hip width and your arms crossed over your chest. Lean forward slightly and stand up using your legs. Slowly lower yourself back into the chair. This exercise strengthens the legs, hips, core, and bones, and directly supports independent living. Just 15 minutes, 3 times a week, can make daily life easier and safer. Walking has value, but strength is what keeps you independent. This is Dr. Steven from Gentle Health. Thank you for listening and take good care of yourself.